Hello children, today we will continue second day, units and measurement. Our next topic is fundamental units. The units which can neither be derived from one another and nor they can be resolved into parts. In mechanics, these fundamental units are, we have three fundamental units. First, mass, second is length, and third is time. Mass cannot be derived from the length cannot derive from the time, and time cannot derive from the length and mass. We cannot resolve mass into simpler terms. We cannot resolve length into simpler terms, and we cannot resolve time into simpler terms. Next topic is derived units, which can be derived from the fundamental quantities. In the last lecture we have learned we have three fundamental quantities. First mass, second length, and third is time. Means which can be derived from the fundamental quantities are called derived units. For example, if we take velocity, velocity is distance upon time. Distance is measured in meter and the time is measured in second. Meter is derived from length and second is derived from the time. So velocity is a derived units which is derived from fundamental units, that is length and that is time. Next is system of units. System of unit, a complete set of units which contain both fundamental and derived, which include mass, length and time, and the derived quantities, that is called system of units. Basically we have four types of system. First, CGS system. Here C stand for centimeter, G stand for gram, and S stand for second. Second is FPS system. In this F stand for foot, P stand for pound, and S stand for second. Third is MKS system. Here M stand for meter, K stand for kilogram, and S stand for second. Fourth is international system of unit, that is called SI unit. The system which is accepted for measurement is international system of units, which is accepted internationally for the measurement of different type of physical quantities. We have 7 fundamental units. Physical quantity, name and symbol. First is mass. Units kilogram, symbol is kg. Second is length. Unit is meter, symbol m. Third, time. Unit is second, symbol s. Fourth, temperature. Units Kelvin, symbol K. Luminous intensity, units candela, symbol CD. Electric current, unit we know in 10th class we have done, that is ampere, symbol is A. Seventh, quantity of matter, unit is mole and symbol is MOL. We have 2 supplementary units. First is plane angle, units is radian, RAD. Second, solid angle, steradian, SR. Now, advantage of international system of units. First, it is coherent system of units. Second, it is rational system of units. For example, for the force, unit is Newton. For the work, unit is joule. Third, it is metric system. We can write in power of 10. Fourth, it is absolute system of unit. And fifth, it is internationally accepted.